Affiliate marketing is the new gold mine on the internet. And what if I show you how to make exactly $30,000 every single month with affiliate marketing? And so no paid ads is required. And the best part is you don't need to have followers or an existing audience to make money with this strategy, as not everyone wants to be a content creator or an influencer, which is perfectly okay. So for the benefit of those who don't know how affiliate marketing works, as you can see on your screen, affiliate marketing works in 5 easy steps. All you simply need to do is to find an affiliate program. And once you join that affiliate program, you're going to find various products from that affiliate program. And all you simply need to do is to grab a link to any of the products available on that program. And once you start promoting this product to people on the internet and people start clicking on this product and start purchasing it, you're going to earn a commission of every sale you make. It's that simple. So basically, the more sales you make, the more money you're going to make with affiliate marketing. You see, having a large following on social media is no doubt an asset. And this is how people make millions with affiliate marketing. However, while this approach mainly favors big content creators and influencers with large following, due to the fact that they already have an established connection with their audience. So their audience already know them, like and trust them. So which makes it easier for these influencers and content creators to promote any product to them. So to illustrate this, if I go over to Instagram as an example and I type in any keyword, so let's say yoga as an example, and I click on search. So if I click on this profile here as an example, as you can see, this content creator or influencer has over 287,000 followers. So now you can see why it's easier for content creators to make money with affiliate marketing, because they have a huge following already. As you can see, this influencer right here is promoting a product on their bio, and if we click on it, so as you can see, it's going to bring us to their landing page, and as you can see for yourself, they are promoting several products on their bio. And if I take this one as an example, as you can see, it's going to bring us to this page where they are selling these yoga related products. Okay, so you can see this is how affiliate marketing works in the traditional sense. However, just like I mentioned earlier, not everyone wants to be a content creator or wants to be an influencer. So this is why this approach only favors big creators and influencers. And also, these guys have dominated the niche, which makes it really difficult for any beginner that does not have a follower to rank on this niche. So that is why I'm going to show you a unique strategy you can use to make money with affiliate marketing, even without having an established audience or following. So the very first thing you want to then do is to pick a niche. So in this video, we are going to be taking dashcam as our niche, and the strategy we are going to be using to make money for our chosen niche is the search strategy using Google and YouTube. Now let me explain. Using this strategy, you don't need to have any followers because YouTube is owned by Google, and whatever content you make on YouTube is going to show up on Google, which gives you a lot of traffic even if you don't have any following. I've used this exact strategy in many of my niche websites, which I've used to rank my affiliate links over the years, and I've earned over $500,000 doing this search strategy. But due to the rise of AI tools like ChatGPT and the likes, it has been very difficult to rank affiliate pages or affiliate articles on Google. And this has caused many of these websites to take a hit and lose their ranking on Google, as Google has made it known several times that it doesn't want AI generated content on Google, as it sees it as low quality content, which means Google wants only user generated content. So I'm going to show you an example of what I mean. So if I come over to ChatGPT and I type in a prompt like write a blog post about benefits of dashcam, and I click on send, as you can see for yourself, in a matter of seconds, ChatGPT has generated content we can easily copy and paste on Google. So like I mentioned earlier, Google sees this type of content as low quality and low effort content. And these days, Google wants only high quality user generated content, which is why we are going to be using YouTube search strategy for this purpose. So what I mean in essence is, if we come over to Google as an example and I type in keyword like best dash cameras on Google. So if I scroll down here, you can see a lot of these YouTube videos are ranking on Google, which I mentioned earlier. YouTube is owned by Google, which means whatever content you create on YouTube, there's a very high chance it's going to rank on Google as well. And as you can see an example of this video right here, posted 6 days ago, and it's already ranking on Google. Okay, so there are several websites as well, but as you can see, most of these websites have been taken to the bottom, and only YouTube videos are mainly ranking in the first spot on Google. All right, so if I take this post here as an example, so as you can see for yourself, this post is basically promoting various dash cameras, as you can see right here. And as you can see, it also includes affiliate links going to Amazon, right? Which means this website here is going to get a commission when you purchase this product using their affiliate link. So the only way to make money in 2025 without having followers is to create high quality user generated content. And the easiest way to do that these days is by creating a YouTube video. So you don't need to have a following on YouTube as well, because over 1 million searches go through Google every single second, which means there's a lot of traffic flowing through Google every second compared to using Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and the likes. And now you may be wondering, what if you don't have access to this product? What you can do in such situations is to go over to platforms like TikTok, and you're going to see a lot of videos about that niche. As you can see here, all you simply need to do is to transform these videos. And what I really mean by this is to simply download these videos, and you want to add your voiceovers to the videos, telling people the benefits they can get from using these products. And once you do that, all you then need to do is to add your affiliate link in the description of that video. It's that simple. So this is how you can use videos without even having to have the original product in your hands. All right. So all you need to do is to upload as many videos on YouTube. And like I mentioned earlier, once you add your voiceover to the video, you have already transformed that video to original content, and people can start clicking on your affiliate link, which is going to be in the description of your video, to start purchasing that product. So it's that simple. So if you like this video, then I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen. This is the next video you should watch to scale your affiliate earnings.